Hi everyone, here we've got ZTE Axon 11 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example here, and let's tap on the settings. On the very first position we've got languages, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the list of languages which are applied to our keyboard. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, simply click on Add Keyboard. And here we've got the full list of available languages, so we've got many options to choose from. Let me pick, for example, Arabic, and click on Done. As you can see, it immediately appears on our list. Now let's get back to the keyboard and let's check. As you can see here, we've got the new icon, the world icon. So after tapping on this, you can switch through the languages, and now I am typing Arabic. If you want to remove languages, let's get back to the settings. Let's tap on the languages and click on this edit icon. Let's tap on the one you want to remove and click on delete. Let's get back. And as you can see, this world icon simply disappears and we can only type in English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ZTE Axon 11 5G. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.